Friday. I tell you what, I have had a week from hell. It's Friday. It's about 7:15 in the morning hour, and I just got home from work, so I am super excited about it. I was jamming to some the older, sexier Jonas Brother, Cake by the Ocean. I love that. Oh, I was just jamming in my car to that. I was very happy coming home, tickled to death. I'm so pumped up. It's Friday. I wanted to get this vlog out to you before this weekend, but I couldn't really do that because I was super duper busy. I tell you what, like I said, I've had a week from hell. It's been terrible, and let me tell you what, my house almost exploded 2 days ago. I come home from work, and my husband's like, because our schedules are, I work night shift, 12-hour night shifts, and I'm coming home, and he is just leaving for work as I'm getting home. I get in the door usually about 6:30, 6:45 a.m. So leisurely on his way out, he's like, oh, by the way, we heard this big gigantic boom, and the house kind of shook. I think it may be the furnace, so maybe you better just, you know, go ahead and call and have the furnace guy come out. Days of May. I was half dead. I was so flippin' tired. What you doing, baby girl? Come over here. Come over here. Come over here. Oh, got my jammies on, guys, because I am going to bed after I do this. But yeah, he just gets in his car and he drives off like nothing ever happened. Oh wait, he did tell me you might want to air the house out a little bit because you don't know what, you know, if there's any CO2 or whatever that, you know, might give you a headache or kill you or something. But it was pretty scary. It was pretty scary, and I'm telling you what, I was pissed off. Oh, I was madder than a hornet. So he just drove on to work. I'm like, okay, all right. All right, bye, babe. Okay, the house is blown up. Make sure you air the house out so you don't get CO2 poisoning. He wanted to make sure the dogs didn't get a headache. So, but I was pretty mad, and he kind of knew that in my tone. I was pretty crappy, pretty pissed. I was scared to death. It was terrible. I went in the bathroom to wash my makeup off and take a shower, and there's a piece laying out there that blew off our flipping roof. So. It was really scary. Thank God it was payday because I spent like $600 within like 30 seconds. We had to get oil. We have an oil furnace, and what happened was the nozzle. This is important, guys. Always make sure that this is my boo-boo kitty. Always make sure that you're clean and have your furnace serviced and cleaned out every season, because winter season, because that little nozzle created some type of puff-like thing because it couldn't get the oil through because it was clogged, something, I don't know. But anyway, it almost blew my damn house up, and very scary. He's like, oh, just open the windows, and let it air out, just because, you know, CO2 is like colorless, odorless, tasteless, and all that. So I'm standing here literally wondering if I'm going to like kill over. Had all the windows open. It was like 24 degrees outside, the wind blowing. It was so flippin' cold in here, and I was just like, oh my God. I said, I'm so tired. I just want to go to bed. I just want to go to bed. But anyway, we got it taken care of. The guy came out and fixed our furnace, thank God. And my husband came home because I was throwing such a fit over it, but he came home. I guess he thought it through. It was like, maybe I really shouldn't do this if I like to remain married to my wife. So that was a good choice. He came home, and we got it taken care of, and after 30 hours of being up, I finally got to go to bed. 30 hours. I was whipped. I was whipped, but not nay-nayed. But oh my God, my dogs are like off the chain this morning. But yeah, it was crazy, and I had a crazy night at work. Duck out in the middle of the road this morning when I was driving home from work. I'm like, oh, could it possibly get any worse? I would love to have a nice big cup of coffee, but I'm not gonna have a coffee because I got but I don't know. I don't have nothing to eat for you this morning. But I tell you what, on my way out from work, they was cooking bacon in that kitchen, and I'm like, oh sweet Jesus, I just wanted some bacon so bad. It smelled so good. I should fry me some and just sit here and do a, I don't know, like a bacon mukbang, whatever, but I'm not gonna do that. I don't like to eat before I go to bed, but just thinking to myself, just thinking about all the things that I'd like to get done this weekend. I'd like to cook on the grill. That's my main goal, is to get cooking on the grill. We've been cooking on the grill all winter long anyway, so that's not a big issue. But we're thinking about putting a privacy fence up. I can't wait to do that. Oh, I see some bunnies out in the backyard running around playing. Of course, my dogs are going to want to go get them. But I'm just gonna enjoy my weekend. The last couple weekends I've been sick, so I haven't really been able to enjoy them. And if I start getting a sore throat or something tonight, I'm gonna be really totally pissed off. Really pissed off, because I really want to have a good weekend. You know, maybe kick back a few beers and listen to some music and enjoy the nice beautiful weather outside. We got a lot of cleaning to do out in our backyard. It's just like, it's been a mud hole, and the dog has dragged every single thing they could find up here. They've even been bringing up like little dinosaurs and stuff. When my middle child, Nick, who's like 24, I think he's 24. He's somewhere around that age. But things that he used to play with in the yard, they've been dragging up here. They had, one time they brought up this big rubber fly. It was kind of cool. And I just remember all those toys that he had when he was little. And according to him, he's buried a box out there. I don't know what's in the box, but it's hard to tell if you knew Nick as a child. It's hard to tell him what he's buried there. But I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. I'll try to get this up. I know, I'll try to get up tonight. So if you have anything you'd like to talk about, just let me know. Leave a comment below. Any recipes you would like for me to make for you. I'm going to try to do a little bit of filming this weekend. I've got 3 days off. I am so excited about that. 3 beautiful days off. But I got some recipes I'd like to get out to you, so I might do a little cooking in my kitchen. I'm not really sure what's going on with those dogs, I tell you. They get more action than I do in this house, I tell you. They're crazy. But yeah, I hope you are enjoying all my recipes. You guys know I love you so very much, and until next time, be sure to subscribe to my channel. And follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Google+, Pinterest, Instagram, Snapchat me. Send me a Snapchat. I think my Snapchat name is like Sandy's Kitchen or something like that. But send me something. Love to hear from you. So have a great weekend. With that being said, and take care. And I'll see you soon. Bye.